Hi, I'm Jenny, the social media manager at Autoshop Solutions. We're an automotive digital marketing agency specializing in websites and internet marketing solutions. Today, we're going over the importance of reviews on social media and how it helps your rankings and paid search marketing. Your social approval, your rank, and your reputation depend on reviews. Reviews sway customers' opinions of you and your business, and they help decide which shop they trust to work on their vehicle. Good reviews can help build trust in your business's credibility. Negative reviews can do the exact opposite. Having an informational, easy-to-navigate website that shows up in search engine results is the key to having customers find your business. And happy customers are one of the biggest assets for growing your business and making sure you have a positive impression. Google, Yelp, Facebook, there are hundreds of sites that serve as a platform for your customers to share either a good or bad experience about your shop. Here are some eye-opening stats. 92% of consumers will hesitate to buy a product if there are no reviews left by customers. 97% of consumers report that the customer reviews they read influence their purchasing decisions. And 84% of people trust online reviews as much as they trust recommendations from friends. This is why reviews are important. When a customer is standing in front of you thanking you for a job well done, kindly ask them if they would be willing to leave you a review online. Make sure there is an easy path leading to your most important review websites like Google or Yelp. Get creative. When finishing working on a car, leave a candy bar or mint with a note asking for a review. Are you responding to your reviews? If you aren't, then you should be. It's important to let your customers know that you read and acknowledged their reviews. It's good practice to respond to all customer reviews. For a 5-star review, a simple thank you can go a long way. For moderate reviews with 3 or 4 stars, take it a little further. Thank your customer for their review, invite them to provide information on what you can do to turn their next service into a 5-star review. These customers are often willing to tell you about their experience. If you can fix the situation, they may give you another chance, and then you can turn them into a lifelong customer. But what happens when I get a bad review? Check out our video on how to respond to negative reviews. In addition, Google reviews help improve search rankings and overall SEO efforts. While there are a lot of factors involved in search engine rankings, online customer reviews are a strong signal to search engines that your business is trustworthy. It's simple, really. Google trusts the power of word-of-mouth marketing, and that's essentially what reviews are. If your business has more trust and authority, a search engine like Google will boost it higher in rankings. How reviews affect pay-per-click marketing. If you have good reviews, customers seeing your ad will give you a higher click-through rate. That increases quality score, lowers cost per click, and allows better ad positions. And that means more customers walking through your door. Thanks for watching. For more Autoshop Academy videos, please visit our website or subscribe to our YouTube channel.